Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about lemon pepper chicken. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start by taking 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 2 green chillies, 1.5 inches of ginger and 10 to 13 garlic cloves and grind it. Now take 500 grams of chicken, 4 tablespoons of curd, squeeze half a lemon and add salt to taste. Add the ground masala, and mix well to marinate the chicken. Let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. Now take 2 tablespoons of butter, and trust me, it did not want to leave the spoon. Take 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 cloves and 2 to 3 cardamoms. Now add the marinated chicken and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it to cook the other side. Cook till the water dries out. Flip it again and cover and cook on a low to medium flame till it turns golden brown. Flip it again and cover and cook the same way. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Give it a mix and turn off the flame. Serve it nicely, and if you want to watch many more recipes on our channel, then do subscribe to Cook and Stir and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Top it off with some more coriander leaves and serve. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.